Greetings, greetings, greetings. The passage we're going to read today, it kind of hard to understand. And people interpret some part of it different kind of way. But some part of it clear, you know. Anyway, I want you listen and tell me what you think. And if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor now. Click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go and write so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy chapter 2 from verse 8 to verse 15. So, me ask that when you come together to worship God, that all of the man them will lift up them hand and pray. Them man your life must clean. And when them pray, them not fi have up nobody in them heart or a quarrel with them one another. I want the woman them fi dress proper. They no fi dress up themselves in a big fancy hairstyle, gold, pearl, or dear clothes. What them fi do? A dress up themselves with the good sitting them where them do for other people. A that woman where follow God fi do. When the man them a teach, the woman them fi turn to the quiet themselves and learn. Woman must quiet themselves. Me no allow them to teach in a church or to rule over man. Cause Adam did make before Eve. And I know Adam the snake did trick. A Eve and a she do what God say they never fi do. But God going save the woman through her picnic. Him going save the woman them if them go and believe in him. Show love and live how him want them to live. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.